Transition Camp is a 3-day skill development camp for students entering the 9th grade. Students attend workshops and other activities on the Utah State University campus aimed at preparing them for academic success in high school and beyond.
How much of the oxygen you breathe in does your brain take?
Here at Utah State,
challenging part, I would say it was getting out of my comfort zone, and there were things like the tightrope that was extremely terrifying to me, but I know I would have regretted it if I hadn't done it. So that was an amazing experience, even though just trying new things was the most terrifying but the most fun part for me.
It taught me a lot more about college and high school, so now I know how to prepare for college and high school. There's a lot I didn't know, and now I know it.
Well, it showed me how important going to college and finishing high school is. It shows you that your decisions really matter in your life. The experiences we've had here, we've had so much fun, we've made friends, we've had just a great time here, and I'm gonna miss this.
Meeting my team because they're really sweet, and I got to make a bunch of new friends, and when we did like the little dance thing, I came out of my comfort zone, and that was like really good. Our whole team like got together and like made a dance, and then we went up in front of a lot of people and danced.